Understanding the phrase, duck off, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have an interesting phrase to discuss. Duck off. You might have heard it in conversations or seen it in texts, and today, we're going to dive deep into what it means, how it's used, and in which contexts you might encounter it. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery together. Duck off is a phrase that is not very common and might be considered slang or informal language. It essentially means to leave quietly or discreetly, often to avoid attention or to get out of a particular situation. Example 1. Imagine you are at a party, and you decide to leave without making a big announcement. You could say, I'm going to duck off now. Example 2. If someone asks where your friend went, you could respond, oh, he decided to duck off early. Understanding this phrase requires recognizing that it's not formal language, and it might not be understood by everyone, especially in a professional setting. The phrase, duck off, is typically used in informal settings among friends or acquaintances. It's important to understand the social context in which this phrase is appropriate. With friends, I have to wake up early tomorrow, so I'm going to duck off. In formal gatherings, this isn't really my scene, so I think I'll duck off. It might not be the best choice of words in a professional or formal setting, as it could come across as too casual. There are other ways to express the idea of leaving a place discreetly or quietly. Some of these include, slip out, I think I'll slip out, no one will notice. Sneak off, let's sneak off before the speeches start. Understanding these alternatives can enrich your English vocabulary and help you express yourself more clearly in different situations. Thank you so much for joining us today to explore the phrase, duck off. We hope this video has shed some light on this informal expression and provided you with a clearer understanding of when and how to use it. Remember, language is about expressing yourself and connecting with others, so don't be afraid to try out new phrases in the appropriate contexts. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.